Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade your account to premium account on eHarmony. Keep watching the video till the end. To upgrade your eHarmony's account to premium, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in eHarmony.com and make a search. The official page of eHarmony's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of eHarmony's account. Here you can see upgrade to premium option. Tap on it. Here you can see there are three options ranging from $14.90 to $29.90. Choose any one of them and tap on select. On the next page, enter your name on the card, your card number, expiry date, card security code, choose a payment option and tap on subscribe now. Pay for your subscription and premium version, and that is how you'll be able to upgrade to premium version on eHarmony's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.